Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's gonna be a little different. I've never done a makeup tutorial here on my channel before. So today I'm just doing a tutorial on my eyebrows. I'm going to be showing you guys the products I use, how I use them, and just how I do it. So I actually get a lot of questions when I'm out in public on what I use for my eyebrows and how I do my eyebrows. So I thought I would just share with you guys and give you guys a little tutorial on how I do my brows. Thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Use two of them actually, and I use two different shades. So I use chocolate, the shade taupe, and I mix those two shades to get the shade that I like. So I'm literally just gonna go in, you can't really see, going with that and going with the other shade as well. Just literally follow the natural shape of my eyebrow first. And notice that I'm not going like fully to the front because I want like that faded out effect. And I'm just gonna outline the top now. So it looks like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and just shade in everything until like here. So once I've shaded in this, I'm just gonna go ahead and flatten my brush like this and take the remaining product and just kind of do this motion, I guess. I don't even know how to really explain it. Alright, so I went ahead and did my other brow. The most important part of this whole routine is to carve out your brows with concealer. It's basically this little like concealer brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I just put some on the back of my hand like that, and we're gonna go ahead and just carve out our brows. I just go ahead and take the concealer on the brush like this and just carve out my brows, and they're gonna look 100% better. And then I'm gonna go ahead and carve out the top as well. So once they're all carved out, this is what they look like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the rest of the concealer out, do the rest of my makeup, and I'll show you the last step. I'm gonna show you guys the last step I do for my brows to literally like just finish it off even after I'm done with my makeup. So literally, let me go ahead and give you guys a little zoom in. Okay, so this is what they look like, and I just go ahead. This is the Great Lash Maybelline New York Clear Mascara. This is my favorite product to use as a gel top coat. So literally, you just put it on your brows like this, and it just like grooms them and puts them all in place. And I feel like it just really brings the whole look together. That is all I do for my eyebrows, and that's how I do it. Those are the products I use. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys like tutorials like this, I don't know, I never have done a tutorial like this, so I was like, you know what? Why not? So let me know. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.